series. So today I'm talking about cleaning our indoor plants. It's really important that we clean our plants at least once or twice a month because the leaves tend to gather dust, and then the dust covers the pores and prevents interferes with the breathing, and then they become unable to photosynthesize, and all of a sudden you're noticing your plants are suffering and you can't quite tell what could be the challenge. And so cleaning is a really important thing to do with your plants. So how do you do it? You need some water, a little bit of soap to it, liquid soap, and then you need a cloth, just an ordinary cloth, and some paint brushes. The paint brushes are for the plants with the smaller leaves, and then you use the cloth on the plants with the large leaves. Okay, and you can also just use tap water, just water without any soap. And what you do is you pass your cloth in the sink, just make it damp, and then you can use it to clean. But I prefer to use water with soap because that also takes care of any bugs that could be on your plants that you cannot see. Yeah, so peromia, yeah, you can see it's quite dusty, quite dusty. So you just put the leaf at the back of your hand and then you spray. Don't worry if a little bit of soap goes a little bit of water goes to the soil. It's not going to be harmful at all. And then you just clean it as if you're painting a wonderful picture. Yeah, so there you go. And then you can see the difference. Yeah, you can see. And then you do the same on the back side. Yeah, you clean. And then once you're done with one plant, once you're done cleaning up one entire plant, yeah, so you just clean it properly, you wash your brush. Or if you're using the cloth, you wash the cloth so that you don't transfer challenges from one plant to another. You clean, say for example it's a succulent, yeah, and you just clean it like that, clean the dust. So you can see there's a difference. Yeah, you can see the top layer of whatever gunk, whitish gunk there is, the dust is coming out. So you can actually see the difference, right? So then if you have a plant with small leaves, like for example the fern, just give it a good spray all around, and then you can take the cloth and pat it down like that. I don't know if you can see. Let's turn this a little bit. Yeah, so just pat it down like that. That's it. So if you have a plant with bigger leaves, like here we have the alocasia, you can see the leaves again very dirty. So you take put your hand at the back, just give it a good spray. And if you're doing it indoors and you don't want water to spill on the carpet, on the floor, you can just take the cloth, spritz it directly, and then now clean it. Clean the plant, clean the leaf like that. You can see the difference. So if you look at these two leaves, yeah, so you can see the dirt. It makes a difference to clean, even just in the appearance of your plant. Then you do the same on the back. You come and you clean it of any, and this is a good way to also check and see if there's anything going on. Are there bugs? Are there sometimes you can find spiders. Spiders really love to live inside some of these leaves. Once in a while I'll take my magnifying glass and just see if there's any form of life here that, you know, shouldn't be. Yeah, just make sure that everything is okay. And there you go. You clean up your plant. Yeah. So if you have a plant with and then if you have a plant like this, like the snake plant, you really just try and move some of these. You really just need to make your cloth damp. Yeah, spray on your cloth, and then just wipe it. Swipe it like that, and already you can see there's a difference. Yeah, so you do that with your entire plant, and it's good to go. Yeah, so do this with all your plants, no matter the size of the leaves. You can spray them directly, pat them down. You can use your paint brushes or something else that can allow you to clean your plant as thoroughly as possible, both on the front and the back side. Thank you for watching.